Crumpy. Okay, so we got the Wolverine here. So the title is Supreme Court Takes Assault Weapons Ban Case. So this is pretty exciting. This is something we've been waiting for a very long time. And hopefully Crump joins us. And I just working on the back end here, trying to get Crumpy in. So give me a second. Bear with me. This is live, and this is one of the consequences of doing things live. So hold on.
All right, can you hear me now?
Yes, we got you.
All right, I'm going to try to put this back on my car because I'm driving right now. Comments? Can you still hear me?
Yep. You broke up for a second, but you're with us.
Still hear me?
Yes.
All right, I'm on
Ooh, it's garbling.
Basically, all right. Basically, 2 assault weapons cases has been granted cert by the Supreme Court.
Wow.
Not 1, but 2. Viramontes versus Illinois, which is the one that if you've been following, that's the one I've been predicting they were going to take.
Mm-hmm.
The second one is Grant versus Higgins, which is another assault weapons case that is challenging a statewide on semi-automatic rifles.
Okay. All right. So why would they choose those 2? Because there seems to be overlap.
There is overlap. What I am suspecting they're going to do. Oh, God damn it. I'm driving through DC, near DC. What I'm expecting that they do is they're going to combine the 2 cases.
Okay.
They're going to consolidate them.
That makes sense.
Into 1 case. Because they're basically the same issue, right? So how that would work is the Viramontes lawyers will get to argue, and also the Grant's lawyers will get to argue. And then probably the DOJ will also ask for some time because I'm pretty sure that they will. Okay, so without Duncan did not get cert, but it doesn't matter because Viramontes also deals with a magazine ban.
Okay.
So Duncan still might get cert though. Just not right now.
Wow. Okay.
Just not right now.
All right. So I always have a problem when, 1, it's great that they take the case. 2, it's also terrifying that they take the case because if they decide in a way that doesn't align with our beliefs, but it seems like the writing is on the wall after Bruin and after what was the one from last week?
Wolford. Yes, the writing is on the wall, and I do believe that they will take. They will take. They're going to rule the way that we want them to. I believe. I can't say that's 100% sure because what I always say is if someone tells you they know 100% of what the court's going to do, they have no idea what they're talking about.
Right. So between Heller, Bruin, and Wolford, I mean that's a pretty steep hill to climb if you're going to go against it.
Correct. That is a really steep hill to climb, and I don't think they're going to be able to climb it. I think by this time next year, my case isn't going to matter.
Yeah, you're right. Virginia and the Virginia assault weapon ban.
Yeah, so we're gonna get all those cases decided by this time next year.
So here's the thing that I'm worried about is if they split the baby. That it doesn't seem to me like you could say an AR-15 is an assault weapon and it needs to be banned because of many different issues and legal precedent of common use. But could it be possible
I
that
don't
they
think
say,
they're gonna split the baby.
okay, so what worries me, and I don't see it happening, but again, you just don't know, if they say, well, you can have an AR-15, but you can only have 10 rounds, or they go with some like the New York State
I
state.
don't see that happening. I don't see that happening.
I agree with you, but I'm just like,
Also,
look,
Viramonte also consolidation of a bunch of other cases.
they had a hit out on Kavanaugh. They could put a hit out on somebody else in the Supreme Court.
Yeah, hopefully not. But one of the things that I do find very interesting is something I was told over the weekend that I told you, and yesterday I was like, man, it's like I was expecting this because I was told, right?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
And the person that told me, I guess they're pretty smart or knows a lot
Mm-hmm.
because we got it today. But yeah, this is I had Rich on standby yesterday because I was convinced it was going to happen yesterday, but
Yes. Yeah.
a day late. But yeah, this is exciting.
So literally, we've been waiting for years for this.
Yeah, we have been waiting for years, and they've always said, well, if the Supreme Court didn't agree with it, they used this on Thursday in my case. If the Supreme Court
Yes.
didn't agree with these bans, they would have granted cert. It's telling that
Mm.
they haven't, so that tells you what they're thinking.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Well, dude, I don't think so.
Wow. Okay. This is, and again, you got to pray that nothing happens to upset the balance of the court as it exists right now, because we're all going rah rah. Look at what we got, but we don't have. I mean, I don't picture any of these decisions going 9-0. That's
I think they're gonna. I think they're gonna go 6-3 our way.
yeah. I mean, that's my best guess is it would be 6-3.
Yeah.
It could be 5-4. You don't know who has last minute reservations, because I gotta say that Thomas is the champion. If everybody
I
was a
think it's
clone
going
of Thomas.
I think it's gonna go 6-3. Okay, let's break this down. Alito is gonna go our way, definitely. We got Thomas is gonna go our way. Kavanaugh has already stated that he's gonna go our way. Gorsuch is going our way, and Amy Coney Barrett seems to think it's going to go our way too. So the only real question mark is Roberts.
Well, Roberts and the favorite three. Do we call them the squad?
Yeah,
Do
well,
they have a name?
Well, the three, although Kagan, I don't know. If you read Kagan's opinion in Smith and Wesson, she stated that AR-15s are in common use. So honestly, she says, honestly, I don't know if, at least on the so-called assault weapons thing, I think we might win. I'm not reading the chat, so if there's anything that you're laughing at, let me know.
Yeah, no. Walt Safety Harbor Firearms said the never-ending 6'3" YouTube thumbnail.
Yeah. Yep.
Where Biden's reaching for a suppressor.
Yeah, so I think we might even have Kagan, but this is good. This is good news. I am really optimistic.
Yeah, we just gotta send vitamins to all of our favorite justices. Vitamins, gym memberships.
Get to actually apply. Right, I know what you're talking about. I might break up here for a second.
You're going through the data center corridor. I might break up here for a
second. I'm passing. Now I'm going through Langley.
Oh.
Which
yeah, so Walt says free the SHTF 50.
Yes. I'll get back on that.
So, okay.
Yeah, it's
Eagle Run 23 is asking a good question here. He says, I'm not 100% sure what is to gain here, just that the court supports that there can be no bans. And yeah, so now if we have actually a nationwide, Supreme Court decision that would apply to every state, that AR-15s,
no more bans.
No magazine bans, no features, none of that. Yeah. So that's the win. So the downside is somehow all of our favorite justices don't make it the next 12 months and they clone Ketanji Brown Jackson, and we're screwed.
Well, we're not even screwed because let's say something happens to the justices. By the time this court is heard, Trump's still in office.
You hope after the midterm. So we have to hope that we don't.
The Trump still be in office, man.
Right. But he could be impeached again.
Oh, and then we're gonna get Vance.
I don't know. It wouldn't matter. They would just keep at it. You're right. The succession of things for that to happen, it would be like lightning striking 10 times.
Yeah. Well, more than that. I mean, you had to get way down in the line of succession.
True. And we
got
like
a Battlestar Galactica type situation.
Ooh, where the what was she? Secretary of Education becomes president.
Yeah.
So okay, we have somebody asking for a summary. They did not take Duncan. What are the cases they took?
Grant versus Higgins and Viramontes.
So 2 really good cases. So it's not like a wash that we didn't get Duncan. It's we're still good. The point is that there are 2 cases that the Supreme Court granted certiorari to on the assault weapon ban, and that they're going to hear them. The precedent is between Bruin, Heller, and Wolford from last week.
Heller, Wolford, and Bruin are big, and they're all going to lead right into this. So, the Virginia injunctions run until like next July. So maybe I do think Virginia, like pushing this, might have tipped the Supreme Court over.
No, Crump, it was you. It was your case in Virginia.
No, I don't think so. But I'm just talking about like the Virginia passing the law, not the cases. In Rhode Island. Look at Viramontes. See that thank you too. I love Vermontes was a mag base too.
Hold on.
Can you do that, Rich?
Give me a second. I'm doing two things. What was the question? Hold on. Trying
Vermontes,
to
look up if that deals with magazines.
Vermontes.
No, Vermontes is assault weapons only, and that. So, but yeah, so we still might get Duncan, but this is a good start.
So let's see.
Barnett is a mag ban. Okay, Barnett is the mag ban. Thank you.
Yeah, I didn't spell Vermontes right. If that.
But it's Barnett. Barnett is the mag ban. You're right. That's what I was thinking. Barnett.
And somebody's asking, is this clickbait?
This is
never
not clickbait. I'm not a clickbaiter. I'm not a
So it
master
says
clickbaiter.
Barnett explicitly challenges both assault weapons ban and large capacity magazines. Or in my case, standard capacity.
So we might get that one too. Who knows? But we are winning. I think this is going to be the death of assault weapons bans. I can't say that too much.
Clickbait is another channel. Woo.
Yeah, no, I would not clickbait a title like this. All right,
Yeah.
but I think that's all we have right now. It's just exciting time.
Yep. Alrighty, Crumpy.
Yeah, SCUTUS is stepping up. All right.
You want me to play us out?
Play us out.
I don't have the right outro.
We don't have any outro. Sit in.
Okay.